How to transfer Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Instagram Reels to your YouTube Shorts. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First, what you'll need to do is open up your Instagram. So locate your Instagram app and then open it up. So to head over to your reel, you can simply head over to your profile icon on the bottom right. Then you'll find the Reels option. Tap on it and you should find all of your Reels. After you do that, if you head over to any of your Reels and if you try to share it, you will notice that there is no direct option in which you can send it or upload it in your YouTube. So what you can do instead of that is download your shorts, the Reels, by tapping on the share button. Then you can tap on the download option right here. Tap on download and the video, that is the Reel, should get downloaded. After your Reel gets downloaded, you can then head over to your YouTube, locate your YouTube app and then open it up and simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then make sure that you're on the shorts option. You can tap on the add button after that. Then select your reel that you just downloaded. Then tap on next. And if you want to make some edits, you can do that. Then tap on done. And it should start processing and it will get uploaded on YouTube Shorts shortly. So after it's done processing, you can edit it if you like and just tap on next. Then after that, you can add details like short caption. Then you can add hashtags. You can select your audience and everything. Then simply tap on upload short. Then the short will get uploaded. And it's basically that easy and that simple, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.